This is Kathleen and Stefano at Stefano's Espresso Care. Today we're going to demonstrate how to replace, clean, and adjust the tension on an Elektra Microcasa steam valve, such as those found on the Leva and SemiAutomatica models. Bear in mind that the valve interior replacement parts are not available separately, so we will not be completely dismantling it. You can use a 21mm wrench or a regular adjustable wrench, both of which should be padded to protect the espresso machine's finish. As you can see, we have already removed the wand. Next, remove the knob. Loosen the counter nut by turning it clockwise. Loosen and remove the valve body by turning it counterclockwise. Factory applied thread sealant or mineral buildup may make the valve difficult to remove. These valves have been pre-loosened. If you are just replacing the valve, position the new one and realign the top piece, then tighten the counter nut. If a valve is hard to operate, you should first descale the machine, as that may solve the issue. If not, consider lubricating and adjusting its tension. To do so, use an 8mm hex wrench to loosen the set screw. Close the valve and place a very small amount of food-grade, high-heat lubricant inside. Note that using too much grease may cause a clog in the wand tip. Retighten the set screw to your desired tension. Position the valve. Realign the top piece and tighten the counter nut by turning it counterclockwise. You can find valves, knobs, and food-safe lubricant and everything you need to clean and maintain your Elektra espresso machine at espressocare.com. Thanks for watching.